Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today is expiration day, June. Let's take a look at what we got here in this account. So we have these big five calls that I sold, and I did a little bit of technical indicator analysis. Thought the stock was going to go down. Well, it looks like I was right. Fortunately or unfortunately, either way, we are going to ride this call to max profit. So if I would have sold it, I would have been good at like $32 or whatever the high was. But I decided to sell a call. Technical analysis said stock was probably going to go down. I didn't think it would go down so much. But it got caught up in the downswing of the market. And now it's down a little more than I thought. I'll have to look at my technical indicators again next week to see what happens. See if I want to sell a call next week or not. Be sure to subscribe and like this video so you can follow this. Alright, let's see what else we have. Disney's been a bit of a wild card. It's really not been performing well. It's going down. Was it 177 the other day? Now it's at 172. Alright, well that's not great. Let's see if we can roll this. I'm very bullish on Disney long term, but short term it's having some issues. Parks are reopening because of COVID, and this looks pretty decent. It's $100 thereabouts. All right, it's not bad. It's not great. All right, just so I don't have to outlay the money, I'm gonna roll this for $100. All right, we'll just go back later and check those out. All right, let's see if it rolled. Okay, looks like it rolled out pretty good for us. I'm going to lose the downside protection, the back spread. But, oh well. I like Disney enough. If it goes down, I'll just buy it. I'll just make some money on it, some credits in a while, and reduce my cost basis. GOEV. So GOEV was up earlier this month, but it took a bit of a hit. So, we have to try to roll this option here. That's at a 12.5. There's a 12.5 in July. I'm not touching that, but rolling this one. See if we can roll that out, maybe even do a diagonal down. Let's see. Let's go with 16th. I'm having luck with that one today. 73 cents. It's pretty good. Let's try to go, ooh. Not even 12, just right down to 10, huh? That's not going to work out. I can tell you that. Alright, well, 73 cents is not bad. I'm not going to get that. I'll be happy with, let's see, 66 cents. Alright, see if that'll work. Alright, we'll go back later, check that out. I might have to adjust it. Norwegian Cruise Lines, I've already rolled. Palantir, oh, super bullish on this stock. You can see my cost basis, 2101. Alright, yeah, I like this stock. I'm just going to ride these out to maximum profit. That's a good deal. I made some good money on those. I'm going to have to take a look at technical indicators, see what it says. I see some resistance on Palantir around 25.50, I think. So, if it breaks above that level, it could go grind higher. If it goes below that level, it could be going back to 20. So it's hard to say. It's kind of stuck in a range, but it's been grinding higher over the last month or so. So it's good. It's good. I like it. Tattooed Chef. Okay. really like this stock. You can say I have some at 20 bucks. But I do have options expiring today. I have two at 22.50. Huh. Alright, well, let's see if we can do something about that. Let's roll those. Once again, I'm gonna lose my downside protection. But let's see if we can do a diagonal. Ooh, down to 20. That's gonna be tough. No, that's not gonna work out. Alright, I guess the tattooed chef only comes in monthlies. It appears that way. Haven't expanded out to the weekly options yet. Once a stock gets more popular, then it'll expand out into the weeklies, and we'll have more options. But right now, we're stuck with the monthly option, so we'll see how this works. Still a decent credit. If I get 100 bucks or so, it's about an ARORC of about 50%, which is pretty darn good. 50% of my money. I'll take it. Alright, tattooed chef. Looks like it rolled out, no problem. So I made another $100, another dollar on that. So it looks like I made $2.75, and I probably spent 75 cents of that on the back spread. So $3, so I'm ahead of the game. Either way, so it's good. My cost basis is below where it's at. Okay, this is all expiring. There's nothing I can do with that stuff. X US Steel doesn't expire till next month. So let's take a look at the ultimate profit loss. And this account, profit loss is $16,596 or so. Today, market's down huge, so I am down huge. Unfortunately, $600, $550. Could be worse. It could be better. Alright, let's take a look at my balance in this account since we're here. Alright, unrealized profit loss of 16.5. Realized a little bit. And it looks like I got some buying power left. Account net worth 170, almost 171. So it's a pretty good rate of return for the last year. Doing okay. Alright guys, that's all I have for today on the Daily Options Trade. Be sure to subscribe for more trading options techniques and wealth building techniques in my main channel here. Alright guys, thanks for watching.